Can you imagine a celestial body so massive, it outshines our Milky Way by 100 times? No need for imagination, it exists, and it's called the Tarantula Nebula. Nestled within the Large Magellanic Cloud, this colossal, luminous nebula holds secrets waiting to be revealed. Stick around as we delve into the secrets of this cosmic titan. The Tarantula Nebula, also known as 30 Doradus, is no ordinary nebula. It's an astronomical marvel, a celestial spectacle that resides in our cosmic neighborhood, the Large Magellanic Cloud. This satellite galaxy orbits our own Milky Way, a mere 160,000 light-years away, a stone's throw in cosmic terms. Imagine, if you will, a nebula so vast, so bright, that it outshines our entire galaxy. The Tarantula Nebula spans over 600 light-years in diameter. To put that into perspective, if we placed it in our own backyard, replacing the Orion Nebula, it would cast shadows on Earth, even in broad daylight. This nebula is not just a pretty face. It's a cosmic powerhouse, a radiant beacon that emits an extraordinary amount of light. In fact, if the Tarantula Nebula were as close to us as the Orion Nebula, it would be so bright that it would cast shadows here on Earth. That's right, a nebula that could outshine our moon. Its luminosity is so immense that it is visible to the naked eye under dark skies. That's right, this cosmic tarantula doesn't need a telescope to make its presence known. It's a gargantuan cosmic lighthouse, visible even from millions of light-years away. The Tarantula Nebula is not just about size and brightness, though. It's a bustling hub of stellar activity. It's a celestial nursery, a cradle where new stars are born and old ones meet their untimely demise. It's a place of continuous cosmic transformation, where the cycle of stellar birth and death plays out in a cosmic dance of epic proportions. But how did this cosmic tarantula earn its name? Opening. The Tarantula Nebula's moniker isn't just a fancy title. It's a homage to the celestial spider's appearance, with its sprawling legs of interstellar material reaching out into the cosmos. The nebula's unique appearance, looking like a tarantula's legs, isn't a coincidence. You see, the nebula's filaments and structures, those spindly, intricate patterns that crisscross and weave together, give it the appearance of a gigantic cosmic spider. Each filament is a string of gas and dust, glowing with the light of thousands of stars. These filaments stretch out into space, just like the legs of a tarantula, reaching out to ensnare its prey. And just as a tarantula is more than just its legs, so too is the Tarantula Nebula more than just its filaments. The filaments are the most visible part of the nebula, but they are just one aspect of this complex and fascinating celestial object. The nebula also contains dense clouds of gas and dust, regions of intense star formation, and vast empty areas where the gas and dust have been swept away by the winds of newly formed stars. The Tarantula Nebula is a testament to the beauty and complexity of the universe. It's a place where the simple elements of hydrogen and helium can combine under the influence of gravity to create structures of such intricacy and grandeur that they can be seen from millions of light-years away. But the Tarantula Nebula isn't just a beautiful spectacle. It's a place of intense activity, where the raw materials of the universe are being shaped and molded into new stars. It's a place where the cycle of stellar birth and death is played out on a grand scale. Closing. This gigantic nebula isn't just about looks, it's a stellar nursery. A place where the raw materials of the universe are brought together to create new stars, new planets, and perhaps new life. It's a place where the cycle of creation and destruction is played out on a cosmic scale. The Tarantula Nebula, then, is not just a nebula by any other name. It's a testament to the power and beauty of the universe. The Tarantula Nebula is a cosmic playground where stars are born. Imagine a celestial nursery teeming with potential, where the basic ingredients of the universe come together to create the celestial bodies we admire in our night sky. This is the role of the Tarantula Nebula, a star-forming region of epic proportions. In this nebula, a vast reservoir of gas and dust fuses together under the influence of gravity. The resulting pressure and heat ignite nuclear reactions, leading to the birth of new stars. It's a process that has been unfolding for millions of years, a testament to the enduring cycle of cosmic life. But the Tarantula Nebula is not just a regular star-forming region. Nestled within its heart lies a supercluster of stars known as R136. This cluster is a bustling hub of stellar activity, where young hot stars radiate with such intensity that they illuminate the surrounding nebula. R136 is a spectacle in itself. It's home to some of the most massive and luminous stars in the universe. These stars are so young, so hot, and so bright, they make our sun look like a mere ember in comparison. They're the powerhouses of the cosmos, their energy shaping and driving the evolution of the nebula around them. Yet, Despite their might, these stars are not eternal. Like everything in the universe, they have a lifespan. They burn brightly, live passionately, but eventually, they too will meet their end. So let's delve into the heart of the Tarantula Nebula among the stellar nurseries and superclusters. Let's explore the life cycle of the stars, from their fiery birth to their inevitable demise. But what happens when the stars within the Tarantula Nebula reach the end of their lifespan? Let's find out in the next scene. Like all things, stars too have an end. As we delve deeper into the heart of the Tarantula Nebula, we come face to face with the reality of stellar demise. The stars we've been discussing, those massive celestial bodies born within this nebula, don't last forever. They live out their lives in a spectacular blaze of energy and light, and when their time comes, they go out with a bang. At the end of its life, a massive star has exhausted its fuel. The nuclear reactions that once kept it shining slow down and eventually stop. Without the outward pressure generated by these reactions to counterbalance the inward pull of gravity, the star collapses under its own weight. The result is a cataclysmic explosion, a supernova. Supernovae are among the most energetic events in the universe. They shine so brightly that for a brief period, they can outshine an entire galaxy. The force of the explosion disperses the outer layers of the star into space, creating a shockwave that ripples through the surrounding gas and dust. This shockwave can trigger the collapse of nearby gas clouds, sparking the birth of new stars and thus contributing to the nebula's ongoing cycle of stellar birth and death. But that's not all. The material expelled by a supernova also enriches the interstellar medium with heavier elements. These elements, forged in the heart of the dying star, are the building blocks of planets and life as we know it. In this way, each supernova not only reshapes the Tarantula Nebula, but also seeds it with the potential for future complexity and diversity. And so, the death of a star is not just an end, but a beginning. Each supernova marks the closing of one chapter and the opening of another in the ongoing story of the Tarantula Nebula. The nebula, with its dazzling array of stars, is a testament to this cycle of birth, death, and rebirth, a cosmic dance playing out on a grand scale. Thus, the Tarantula Nebula continues its cycle of stellar birth and death, a cosmic dance on a grand scale. The Tarantula Nebula, a beacon of light and life, is truly a wonder of our universe. Nestled within the large Magellanic Cloud, this colossal cosmic spider stretches across 1,000 light-years, outshining even the most luminous nebulae in the Milky Way. The tarantula's radiant glow isn't just for show, it's a testament to the nebula's role as a stellar nursery. Here, vast molecular clouds cradle newborn stars, while others meet their spectacular end, leaving behind supernova remnants. This endless cycle of stellar birth and death paints a vivid picture of the universe's dynamic and ever-changing nature. Thank you for journeying with us into the heart of the Tarantula Nebula. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.